ain't nothing like a beautiful fall look. Hey, welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from Olena Roseanne. Today I'm going to be creating a fall makeup look using the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the notification bell and share this with someone who may be interested in fall looks on dark skin. This is going to be a pretty chill makeup session, so go ahead, sit back, relax, enjoy the music, watch what I do. All products will be listed down in the description box, and I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start, and then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.